3 rooms in a small hallway. William pulled up. Truckmount fired up. You know what time it is. Slam! B! 808 boom!
Tato got the carpets looking fresh and clean.
Well, put them bound down room to room.
Well,
3 rooms in a hallway, yeah, he came on through. Dirty when he walked in, fresh when he was through.
who got the carpets looking fresh and clean? William do. William do. William do. William do.
Stain be gone.
William do.
Pull up to the house, let the transformation start. William got the equipment and he mastered the art. Pest spray going down, let it work in the fibers. Agitation coming next, now that carpet getting brighter. Truckmount fired up, hit that engine outside. Hot water extraction, watch that cleaning one glide. 1 room, 2 rooms, 3. Hit that little hallway, now the whole thing clean. Fresh carpet lines, got the homeowner like, whoa. When you see the transformation, everybody gotta know.
Who got the carpets looking fresh and clean? William do.
Who put them line down room to room?
William do.
3 rooms in a hallway, yeah, he came on through. Dirty when he walked in, fresh when he was through.
Who got the carpets looking fresh and clean? William do. William do. Yeah, William do. Yeah, William do.
Stain be gone.
William do.
808 knocking while the carpet getting right. Fresh lines running straight. Man, that room looking tight. Hallway looking good. All 3 rooms done. Another transformation in